Sometimes the most revealing product announcements are the ones that were never meant to happen. That appears to be the case with the DJI OSMO Pocket 4. A retailer in Malaysia briefly uploaded a full hands-on video showcasing the device, only for it to be taken down shortly afterward. The removal was quick, but not quick enough. Copies of the footage were captured and shared, and now the details are circulating widely. What makes this situation interesting is not just the leak itself, but how complete everything looked. This did not resemble an early engineering sample or a rough prototype. The unit shown appeared polished, finalized, and packaged in what looked like retail-ready presentation. The interface seen in the footage looked refined and cohesive. Menus were fully designed, transitions appeared smooth, and there were no visible signs of unfinished software. Even the hardware gave the impression of being production-grade rather than experimental. When a device looks this complete in a retailer's hands, it usually signals that an official launch is approaching. DJI has followed this pattern before. Retail-level leaks tend to surface shortly before announcements, creating a wave of speculation that builds anticipation rather than confusion. Whether intentional or accidental, this kind of exposure often feels strategically timed. Design-wise, the DJI OSMO Pocket 4 stays true to the formula that made the series popular. The signature vertical gimbal structure remains. There is no dramatic redesign or radical shift in form factor. That consistency is likely deliberate. The Pocket lineup has always prioritized portability, stabilization, and simplicity. Instead of reinventing the product, DJI appears to have focused on improving the overall shooting experience through thoughtful refinements. One of the clearest changes visible in the leaked footage is the addition of extra physical buttons on the grip. Previous discussions hinted that DJI wanted to reduce reliance on touchscreen controls while filming, and this leak confirms that effort. The extra buttons provide quicker access to settings, allowing users to make adjustments without diving through menus. For vloggers and creators capturing spontaneous moments, that difference can be significant. Speed matters when recording in dynamic environments. Physical controls introduce a more tactile, intuitive shooting flow that enhances usability in real-world scenarios. However, the most unexpected feature revealed in the footage is a built-in LED light position near the camera module. This is not a simple fixed light integrated into the body. Instead, it appears mounted on a small adjustable arm with hinge points, enabling users to tilt or reposition it as needed. That level of flexibility adds practical value. For quick indoor recordings or nighttime vlogs, users can activate the light without attaching external accessories. It keeps the device compact while expanding its versatility. This addition reveals something important about the intended audience. The DJI OSMO Pocket 4 still targets content creators who prioritize mobility and convenience. By integrating lighting directly into the device, DJI reduces the need for extra gear. That simplicity is appealing for travel creators and casual filmmakers who want an all-in-one solution. While professional setups may still require external lighting, the built-in LED addresses everyday needs efficiently. The leak also introduced a new shooting option labeled SuperPhoto mode. Although specific technical details remain limited, the name suggests an intelligent processing feature designed to optimize images automatically. It likely combines HDR, noise reduction, and exposure balancing into a single automated system. Rather than manually adjusting settings, users can rely on computational enhancements to produce balanced results. This indicates DJI is investing heavily in software intelligence alongside hardware improvements. Modern cameras increasingly depend on smart processing to elevate image quality. Computational photography can deliver noticeable improvements without requiring larger sensors or dramatic hardware changes. By introducing a feature like SuperPhoto mode, the DJI OSMO Pocket 4 appears to be leaning into convenience and automation. For casual users especially, simplicity often outweighs manual control. When you combine all these elements, finalized design, additional physical controls, adjustable LED lighting, intelligent photo processing, and retail-ready packaging, the picture becomes clearer. This does not feel like a distant rumor or speculative concept. It feels like a product that is on the verge of official release. Retail leaks typically indicate inventory is moving through distribution channels, and announcements often follow shortly after. Just as attention centered on the DJI OSMO Pocket 4, another development quietly surfaced. Certification records revealed the DJI OSMO 360 Mark II earlier than many expected. This separate leak shifts the focus from compact stabilized cameras to immersive 360-degree capture devices. The timing is noteworthy. Documentation dates back to December 9, 2025, indicating the product has been progressing through regulatory approval for months. At first glance, one might assume DJI rushed this certification. However, the timeline suggests otherwise. Testing appears to have concluded well before public discovery of the listing. That implies the Osmo 360 Mark II has been in development behind the scenes for quite some time. Rather than a reactive move, it seems to be part of a steady, deliberate roadmap. What makes the Mark II listing surprising is how recently the original Osmo 360 launched. With the first model debuting around mid-2025, a follow-up appearing so soon raises questions. Is this a substantial upgrade or more of a refinement? Certification data provides some insight. The most notable specification change is a larger battery, increasing from roughly 1,950 mAh to around 2,150 mAh. While not a dramatic leap, this improvement could extend recording time, especially when capturing high-resolution footage. Other specifications remain consistent. Bluetooth Low Energy 5.1 and Wi-Fi 6 are still present, suggesting stability over experimentation. There is no mention of higher resolution beyond 8K or significant sensor upgrades. These details point toward incremental enhancement rather than transformative change. It feels like DJI is refining the product rather than reinventing it. Another critical detail is the classification of the Osmo 360 Mark II as a finalized production unit. This is not labeled as a prototype. That distinction means design choices are locked in. The hardware configuration, connectivity modules, and battery capacity have moved beyond testing phases. Development reportedly concluded months ago, reinforcing the idea that this product has been quietly maturing behind the scenes. If DJI maintains its usual release rhythm, a mid-2026 launch seems plausible. While that might appear fast compared to traditional camera cycles, DJI often operates on a more aggressive update schedule. This approach allows the company to maintain momentum while gradually refining its lineup. When viewed together, the DJI OSMO Pocket 4 leak and the Osmo 360 Mark II certification reveal illustrate a broader strategy. DJI appears focused on steady evolution rather than dramatic disruption. In the Pocket series, improvements center around usability and integrated convenience. In the 360 lineup, enhancements emphasize endurance and stability. Neither product represents a radical technological leap. Instead, they demonstrate calculated refinement. The DJI OSMO Pocket 4 enhances hands-on shooting with physical controls and built-in lighting. The Osmo 360 Mark II boosts battery life while maintaining proven connectivity standards. These moves suggest DJI values reliability and incremental progress. For creators, the key consideration remains practical value. Do integrated lighting and smarter controls justify upgrading? Does extended battery life in a 360 camera make enough difference? These decisions will depend on individual workflows. But what is undeniable is that DJI continues to refine its ecosystem thoughtfully. What began as an accidental retailer upload has evolved into a clearer picture of DJI's near-term plans. The DJI OSMO Pocket 4 looks polished and ready, and the Osmo 360 Mark II seems strategically timed. Together, they reflect a company steadily refining its tools while keeping future innovations quietly in development.